Hello everyone. In today I would like to make another iPad case, but I want to use this cotton fabric this time. This is really lovely print. I really like it. It's so adorable. So I want to make this for the outer fabric and just plain white cotton for the inner fabric. And in between I would like to use padding. I want to make something that I can put iPad with the case inside, so this doesn't fit. It's really snug also if I'm putting this in without my case. So I want to make a new version of this. I want to make a little closure on top, and this time I want to try to use magnetics. This is magnetic, so I want to try to use this one. And also I make the pockets, but I want to divide the pocket. So one side you can put your pens or iPad pencil, in the other maybe charger or whatever. So I want to make this one this time. And also I made a new tags for my logo. This is the old one and this is the new one. I really like the new one, so I want to make one product and see how it's going to be in here. I think it's much better than this. I have a bunch of those. I have the old pattern somewhere. I need to make it a little bigger and also a little taller, I think. I made a new pattern for this. This is main bodies, this is the pocket, and this is the closure. I have finished my sewing. I think this is so adorable. It's plain white inside. This magnetic closure. It has bigger pocket and smaller pocket for the pencil. There you can put maybe charger or notes, and it fits good. Maybe I will make 1 centimeter longer or wider, so then it's going to be perfect. But for me, for myself, it's so good. This is so adorable.